Hello everyone. Today, let's look at the new sales inquiry feature on BtoB.lk, starting from the customer's perspective. When a customer goes to a product page, they will see a purple sales inquiry button just below the request quotation button on the right side. First, they click on that. Then, a form named Sales Inquiry will open. Right at the top, it states that the supplier will respond you soon. If they are already a registered customer, their full name, email, and mobile number under contact information will be autofilled. However, if they are an unregistered user, they will have to fill in these details manually. Please pay close attention to the red asterisks as they indicate compulsory fields that must be filled. The compulsory contact fields include the customer's full name, email address, mobile number, address, district, and city. Additionally, they can fill in their company name here, though it is optional. Next is the inquiry details section showing the relevant product name. The most special feature here is the select vendors option. With this, in addition to the main vendor, the customer can select other vendors selling items in the same category and send this inquiry to them all at once by simply searching the shop name. After that, they provide the required quantity and budget. To make setting the budget easier, quick options like under 5,000 rupees or 5,000 to 20,000 rupees are provided. Following that, they simply type their description or requirement in the message box. Notice that the message/requirement box is also a compulsory field that must be filled. Scrolling down, they can upload relevant pictures or documents under attachments. Finally, they choose their easiest contact method from preferred contact method, such as email, phone call, or WhatsApp. Selecting a preferred contact method is compulsory. Once everything is complete, they click the Send Inquiry button. After submitting, an inquiry submitted, success pop-up will appear. From here, the customer can directly click the purple View Inquiries button to track their request. Alternatively, they can view their inquiries at any time by clicking their profile icon in the top right corners and selecting My Sales Inquiries from the drop-down menu. On the My Sales Inquiry page, they will see a summary of their requests. They can click the purple View Details button to review the full inquiry. This opens the detailed sales inquiry page. At the top, they will see the inquiry number and the exact submission date and time. The page is clearly laid out. The product details section shows the product name, type, expected quantity, and estimated budget. Below that is the requirement detail box showing their message. Finally, on the right side of the screen, the customer can review their preferred communication method, the contact person details, and the list of inquired vendors they send the request to. And that is how simply it is to send a direct sale inquiry to a vendor. Thank you for watching and happy sourcing on BtoB.lk.